Here I am going to discuss question number 11.26 from exercise. The question is like this: how is 1-propoxypropane synthesized from propan-1-ol? Write the mechanism. Okay, so what is the question? We have to prepare 1-propoxypropane from propan-1-ol. So propan-1-ol, that is our starting material, and 1-propoxypropane, that is our product. So you can see this one is our starting material, propan-1-ol, 1, 2, 3 carbons are there, and alcohol group. So this is our starting material. Ending material, that is 1-propoxypropane. So you can see this one is 1-propoxypropane. Okay. Now you can see in starting material we have 3 carbons. In product we have 6 carbons. So what we have to do? We have to double the carbon here. So I have taken 2 moles of propanol. When it reacts with H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin temperature, this preparation was there. In preparation of ether, the first reaction was this. When alcohol reacts with H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin temperature, it gives us ether. Okay. Now look at the mechanism. What happens here actually? So in step 1, this one is our first molecule of alcohol. When it reacts with H plus from acid, this H plus comes from acid. Here I have taken H2SO4, so it comes from H2SO4. What happens here? This positive ion is attracted towards the non-bonding electrons of oxygen. So it will attack on oxygen. So this ion will get, you can see, to form a bond between oxygen and hydrogen. These 2 electrons are used here. So oxygen gets positive ion here. Now in second step, the same positive ion here that attacks on second molecule of alcohol. This one is second molecule of alcohol. So you can see this positive ion attacks on carbon. So what happens here? H2O will remove here, and this positive ion will get in second step. In third step, this hydrogen is removed as H plus and will get our ether. Okay. So this is the mechanism of preparation of ether using H2SO4. Now at the question number 11.28. The question is like this: write equation of reaction of hydrogen iodide with first number propoxypropane. So what we have to do? This one is our starting material, 1-propoxypropane. We have to write a reaction of this starting material with hydrogen iodide, Hi. So look at the reaction. What you have to do? This one is our 1-propoxypropane. You can see 3 carbons and oxygen, means this one is our propoxy group. It is attached to first carbon of propane. So you can see this is propane, and this one is our first number carbon. So it is attached to first carbon of propane. When it reacts with Hi, what you have to do? Now here 2 chains are similar chain, 3 carbon chain. So in that case, you can attach hydrogen on whichever side and iodide group on whichever side. So you can see we will get alcohol as product. Just break this bond. So alcohol as product and alkyl halide as another product. Okay. Now look at the second question. Here methoxybenzene is given to us. So it is our starting material, methoxybenzene. So you can see benzene is there. Now methoxy means meth plus oxy. Meth means one carbon, you can see, and oxygen. So, remaining valency you have to put hydrogen. So this is the structure of methoxybenzene, or it is named as anisole. Okay, second name is anisole. Now when it reacts with HI, what you have to do? I have already told you that whenever ether is there and we are breaking ether here, what you have to remember? Oxygen goes with benzene ring. Again, oxygen goes with benzene ring. You can see oxygen is attached to benzene ring. Hydrogen from HI goes with oxygen. So this one is our phenol. And remaining part CH3 that combines with iodine, giving us methyl iodide. Same reaction is there in third number, benzyl ethyl ether. Now benzyl means this structure, benzene structure. Ethyl means C2H5, CH2CH3. Between them ether group is there, means oxygen is there. Now when it reacts with hydrogen iodide, again same reaction you have to, same rule you have to follow here. Oxygen remains with benzene ring here. So you will get phenol and ethyl iodide as product. So here's question number 11.30. What is the question? Write mechanism of reaction of HI with methoxymethane. Okay, so we have discussed the reaction. Now we are going to see the mechanism here. You can see this one is our methoxymethane, CH3OCH3. When it reacts with HI, now this one is our symmetrical ether. Both carbon chain are same. So on whichever side you can put hydrogen and iodine. So CH3OH plus CH3 I will get as product. Now for mechanism, what happens here? HI, that is hydrogen iodide, it is acidic in nature. So it will donate H plus. It will donate H plus here. You can see oxygen is having 4 non-bonding electrons. So this H plus will attack on that electrons. So this intermediate will form. Hydrogen remains as iodine remains as iodide form, I minus. Now in second step, this iodide will attack on carbon. Again, iodide ion will attack on carbon here. This one is our SN2 mechanism. Okay, what happens here? You can see this carbon, it has 3 hydrogens plus this partially bond, 1 bond, and this one is also partially bond. So total 5 bonds are there. So it is our pentavalent intermediate. Again, this one is our pentavalent intermediate. And we have learned this pentavalent intermediate in SN2 mechanism also. In last step, what happens here? CH3I will be removed. This will be removed and remaining alcohol is there. So this is the mechanism of